Good morning everyone. No, kanina nakita ko yung inyong mga beauties na on cam kayo. So, I saw participants na para mga artista nandito para sa provide ng mga artistahin natin, right? Okay. So, hindi ko na po patagalin, no? Everyone calls me Long for short. Oo, pero officially long for short. Officially, sa office, they call me MJ because long daw is hindi bagay sa akin. Sabi ko, yun na yung aking nickname since born eh. Alright? So, I'm pretty sure you know about the Saint Peter. Tama po? No? So, pag sinabing Saint Peter, ano po? Ano sir? Pray for us! Okay. So, we all know that life is, walang forever. Do you agree po? When it comes to death, wala po talaga. When it comes to po ba? Kasi dalawa yung ano ko, sorry. Enough. Pwede na itong tanggalin, sir. Ah, okay. Ayan, para wala akong hawak, para mas freely. All right. So, everybody knows when it comes to death, walang exemption. Tama po? No? Lahat po tayo merong hangganan. Lahat ng may buhay, merong hangganan. And walang exemption, no? That's why kami po sa St. Peter, ang battle cry po namin is bawat pamilya dapat may St. Peter life plan. Because every plan is pwedeng ipagamit kahit kanino, kahit saan sa Pilipinas. Alright? And then, why we are here, because the goals is, sorry, planning for our retirement. It's not just, diba? Kasi huling-huli po na pinag-uusapan is regarding the inevitable event, no? Yung ating, no? Now, tinuturo po namin is accepting is the first step, no? Para po mas maluwag nating paghandaan ang tinatawag na pray for us, sabi ni Sir. Alright? No? So remember, investing on things that really matter, really secure our future. Alright? So again, when it comes to debt, walang exemption. This is really a real talk. And hindi po porque na tayo ay may St. Peter Life Plan, alright, those who have St. Peter Life Plan, it doesn't mean na excited tayong mawala. Tama po? Alright. Hindi po ka-excite yan. No? Pero, as per saying ng aming mga elders, the more you're preparing for it, the more na lumalayo po yan. At ang mangyayari, therefore, dapat po, 'di ba, secure natin yung family natin to have one. Because ang hirap na kapag nangyari na po yung times of this inevitable demise is ngaragang pamilya, 'di ba? Hindi alam kung saan kukuha ng gagamitin. All right? So advantage of pre-need memorial is sorry. Di ata okay, a pre-need is really just a mechanism that allows us to save in advance for the future needs. So ito po yung lagi namin tinuturo sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Alright? And just a brief history of our company. Alright? Dito muna tayo. Ito po yung mga pangyayari muna no, na sinisave natin yung every family na experience this burden. Diba? So, general service. Diba? And sometimes, ang nangyayari po is, kung ano, yung presyo sa hospital, alright, yun din yung halaga ng binayaran ng pamilya. So ito po yung mga scenario na iniiwas natin ng isang Juan de la Cruz not to experience the burden of paying highest funeral service. Because, literal, no? Filipinos are too emotional. Pag may nangyaring ganyan, lalo kung magulang po natin yan, talagang ibibigay natin yung pinakamagandang service. Alright? What if it happened? You don't have money on your pocket. How can you prove to the world? Kasi tayo ibibigay yung pinakamagandang serbisyo. Prove to the world how love yung nawala. Tama po? Kahit ipangutang mo pa po yan, basta ibigay ang pinakamagandang serbisyo sa loved ones mo. But how can you do that? No, if your pocket is empty. So that's why, no, we are reiterating every family. All right? Mura po yan kung merong St. Peter. We are saving each family. Again, because statistically, the amount of one service in the Philippines now, kung di family, this is from the Office of the President, 90,000 to 150,000. Okay, but because of inflation, that 90 and 150,000 will go up and up and up. Walang pababa po na presyo. And here, once you have your St. Peter, protected to any price increase. Yes, ibibigay natin yung serbisyo, kasi hodang ipangutang pa natin yan. But sometimes, ang nangyayari, isang way is casino. May mini casino sa Burol. Which is, instead, nagmumurn lang dapat siya, nag-iintindi pa siya ng mga nagsusugal. Why? Because kailangan pandagdag pambayad ng funeral. Alright? Ito po, yung ayaw naming maranasan ng bawat Pilipino. That's why our battle cry is, bawat pamilya dapat may St. Peter Life Plan. We don't want each family to experience the kind of karimari-marim na insidente, we call that. And kung makikita niyo po sa screen, all right, that's one. I'm sure i-judge nyo that this is not a decent service. Tama po? Yes. But you know that the amount of that service is 90,000? Yes. Yes po. No? That's the minimum amount ng isang funeral service po ngayon, 90,000. And hindi ganito yung itsura, which is hindi serve ng klase ng wake. A decent chapel and deserve to be served by St. Peter. This is one of our new chapels in Parañaque, wherein ang mga bagong hotels, ang mga bagong chapels are po ngayon. No? Hindi dapat po ganito. Dapat nasa isang decenteng facility. Ganon po dapat. No? And again, every walks of life has an end. Sooner or later, kahit na po hindi kayo maniwala, have our last breath. Alright? So, as shown po, no? This is our new logo, wherein nakalagay po is Yodo. Alright? So, what's Yodo? Yes, ma'am. You only die once. Of course, part of us agreed with what Piolo Pascual saying that you only live once, no? Pero another part of it is, hala, araw-araw tayong nabubuhay. Tama po? No? So araw-araw tayong nabubuhay, pero mark it. Minsan lang po tayong, yes, yun na po yun. Alright. Minsan lang po tayong masi-Saint Peter. Ano po yung sagot? Pray for di ba? Nakuha ko na siya. So parang naka-ride na ako doon sa inyong ano. Okay. So just a brief trip of our company that we are in the industry for more than 53 years. So we are on our 54 po, no? And then we have more than 300 life plan and chapel. So si life plan po is the one who is awareing. No, kami po yung nag-aware sa lahat ng pamilyang Pilipino that you really deserve to have a decent service and to have it pre-need. Because once pre-need, mas mura. And we have more than 300 chapels, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And we have our own manufacturing casket. We're in. Nag-iisip ka pa lang po ngayon na kukuha ng St. Peter, away. Minomolde na po yan sa aming factory. 12 biggest manufacturing, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And then we have the St. Peter Finance, wherein every fully paid po na plan ng St. Peter is welcome to make a loan. Yun po yung handle ng umbrella ng St. Peter Group. And we are a 100 Filipino-owned company founded 1970 of October. All right. And the founder is just a great first student. Yung kinukwento ko kay Sir Ray kanina. All right. Amar, sorry. All right. And we are not the one who's saying po, ma'am and sir, no, na kami yung pinakamagaling when it comes to debt care servicing. All right. Hindi po kami yung nagsasabi, but the 6 million family of plan holders that we serve. Sila po yung nagsasabi when it comes to debt care service. Only St. Peter ang reliable. Okay? So, ito po yung pagpapatunay na kahit magsabay-sabay po, yung aming 6 million plan holders kayang servisan because to be exact, that is 108 billion trust fund. The one who govern all the pre-need po is, tama po, di ba? It's insurance commission. So, ang trust fund po natin sa insurance commission is 100 billion. Okay, so may I proceed now to the features of St. Peter? I'm sure naman ito ay na-discuss na rin no, ni Joy. But then again, just to reiterate that when you bought the plan of St. Peter, it is a anti-inflationary. What's good is, yung 57,000 natin ngayon na St. Gregory, any moment soon by August po, alright, mag-i-increase siya from 57 to 73,000. But once you have your plan now, protected ka na po to any price increase. Yun po yung kainaman. No? Yung ating most affordable dyan ng simpleng One de la Cruz is the 1,000 per month. That's St. George po. Okay, 53,000. That's gonna be 67,000 na po. Parang nasa ano sir 20, almost 20. Ganun po yung increase niya. So, anti-inflationary is protecting each plan holder na hindi maapektuhan ng price increase po. No? And then second feature is transferable. Let's say ako po may plano, okay, transferable siya to any living person po. Sa lahat ng buhay ang transferable. Wherein siya na po yung bagong magmamay-ari ng benefits, accident, and waiver of installment. Pag buhay po ang pinag-transferan, transfer din po ang insurances, the free insurance. No, mind you, the plan holder is not the one na nagbabayad ng insurances. Alright? Si St. Peter po ang nag-i-insured. Alright? Sa plan holder. Okay? But again, this is for ages 18 to 60 years old. Pag beyond 60 na po, service na lang po ang nangyayari. Wala nang mga free insurances. Okay? So transferable, living to living. And yung benefits is na ililipat sa bagong may-ari. Okay? Assignable. Okay, what is assignable? Ito po yung ako may plano. No, namatay si asawa, which is true. Ama, alright, kapatid, kapitbahay, any of kakilala, pwedeng ipagamit kahit kanino, kahit saan sa Pilipinas. Alright, so assignable is ipinagamit po yung iyong memorial plan. And kapag ipinagamit, all the benefits, void na po yan. Holder ang insured ni St. Peter. Gamitin ko po ng plan, alright, hindi po siya yung insured. Ako lang po na plan holder. Pag met again, yung lahat ng benefits. Alright. So, let's proceed now to, nag-gets po ba? Features? Sir and ma'am? Okay, tayong inflationary.
Yes, ano lang po, clarification. Yung transferable, buhay sa buhay, yung assignable, buhay sa patay.
Yes, sir.
Pero regardless kung kamag-anak or
Yes,
hindi
sir.
kamag-anak,
Yes, sir.
basta discretion ng magta-transfer, pwede siyang
Yes,
matransfer.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. It's really...
So pwede po ba, sorry mama, tumatakbo na yung isip ko. So pwede po ba na bumili ka ng madami, lalo na mag-i-increase ng 20,000 pala, bili ka na ng madami kasi alam mo na yung susunod na buwan, mag-i-increase ng 20,000, kikita ka na ngayon ng plus 15,000. Halimbawa, 74,000, increasean ko lang ng 15. Possible po ba yun?
Okay.
Inaalaw
Maganda.
po ba yun?
Maganda yung tanong ni Sir Sarmiento. Alright. Kasi sir, kung ikaw ay nakabili na prior to price increase, of course, protected ka na. Tama po yun, no? Ng price increase. Now, since ikaw na po yung bagong may-ari at gusto mo siyang ipagamit, hindi po namin siya ini-encourage na ibenta ng kung ano yung prevailing price because you bought it on a pre-need tapos ipapagamit, i-assign. Same price pa rin po siya, sir. Pero it's up to you kasi sa inyo, kayo na po eh. Kayo na po yung may-ari. Oo.
So ma'am, ulitin ko lang po August magi-increase ng 20K. Bumili ako ng marami, let's say 10 ngayon. Tapos i-monthly ko, 'di ba? For
Okay.
example, i-monthly ko naka anti-inflationary ako. Tapos tutubuan ko ng sabihin na nating 10K, kalahati nung i-increase. Possible po 'yon.
Sir, again, hindi
Niya ini-encourage.
wala
na sila. Okay.
Kayo na po.
So alam niyo na mga friends.
So are the new owner now, sir eh. Hindi na po sa amin yon.
Parang pwedeng mag-hoard, no? So,
Oo.
meron pong question sa Zoom.
Yes, sir.
Question po, if installment then inassign siya sa iba na namatay, tuloy pa din po yung hulog.
Okay. That's a very good question po. All right. Sige. So, halimbawa po na, di ba, the plan is all 5 years to pay. All right? And then, let's say, kasi pwede na siyang ipagamit right after a month eh. All right? So, kung halimbawa po na ipapagamit yan, syempre, yung memorial service, the casket itself, the full service, i-rendered na po natin. Kung may balance po yan, any amount of the balance, they have to pay it before the interment. Hindi po siya mag-undergo ng monthly po. Hindi po. Once gagamitin na po, alright, at may balance, they really have to pay it before the interment.
So yung inassign na niya, pwede niya na pasagot doon.
Pwede po. Opo.
May isa pa
Ganun
pong
po.
question si Sir Bert. May processing fee po ba if ever ipagamit o i-transfer sa iba?
Yes, sir. Just only 500 pesos. 500 pesos po. Processing fee of transfer plan or assigned plan pag ipinagamit. The term, sir, is assigned kapag living to deceased. Assigned. Yes, sir. Baka meron pong closing questions?
Ayan, thank you daw po.
Okay.
Ayan, meron po yata. Well,
Alright.
500 transfer fee. Sa
Transfer fee.
installment po, same din po ba yung mismong owner gumamit?
Okay. So, sige. Okay lang po na i-continue ka to kasi yun po yung magiging sagot doon sa itatanong po ng ating participants. Alright. So, all of our plans, I don't know if you did the copy ng mga plans.
Meron na po.
St. George, St. Clair, Bernadette, and St. Anne. So we have 6 pre-need plan. No? Mga saan kapag ka nawala sa St. Peter, alright. Yeah. Okay, so all of the plans are payable 5 years. Okay. What if the plan holder is at insurable age, 18 to 60 years old? Died after a year si plan. Ang edad 18 to 60 years old, sabi ko nga po kanina, ang covered ng insurance from 18 to 60 years old. Sample is, an 18-year-old died after a year. Ang tanong kanina po ng ating one of the participants, what if si plan holder ang nawala? Pag si plan holder po ang nawala at insurable si plan holder, alright, after a year, consider fully paid po yung kanyang plano. Service will be rendered for free. And then there's a cash assistance given to the family of the plan holder. The amount of the cash assistance is the same amount po of your plan investment. Let's say you choose the most affordable St. Gregory, which is 57,000 po ang maiiwan sa beneficiary. So again, kung si plan holder po, no, ang nawala at gagamit ng plan right 1 year contestability. All right, 1 year. Other insurances po, it's 2 years eh. Tama po ba? No, it's 2 years. But since we are pre-need memorial, year lang po. All right. And what's good here, even namatay siya sa sakit because we don't have any medical examination eh. Marami tayong mga kamag-anak ng mga cancer patients. Ayan, pinaprolong na lang yung life. Alright? So, after a year na nawala si dialysis patient, si cancer patient, at insurable siya, no question asked, ma'am and sir. Service will be rendered for free and assistance will be given to the beneficiary after 1 year contestability. Now, there are two kinds of death. Tama po, no? The one that I sample po is happen in natural death. Namatay po siya sa sakit. Second is, nawala po siya caused by accident. Again, the insurable age is 18 to 60 years old. An 18 years old, no, signed today. Okay, kumuha na ng plan na ng initial installment niya of 1,100. Considered start na kanyang insurance. Alright? So, an insurable person, paglabas ng EDSA na knock on the wood. Death caused by accident. Eh, paano po yun? Wala pang 1 taon. Alright? Nothing to worry. If it happened by accident, ma'am and sir, considered fully paid po yung memorial service. Times 2 po, yung nagigain ng family. I mean, yung naiiwan sa family, the cash assistance and the accidental death assistance. So, kung ang amount ng ang investment is 57,000, times 2 po nun. So, 114,000 naiiwang cash sa pamilya. And then, memorial service considered paid po. Alright? And then this credit life coverage, ito yung kinukuha na insurance ni St. Peter. Ang alright? So siya po, yes. So siya po yung nagbabayad sa pagkakautang pa ni plan holder sa St. Peter. So ininsured po siya, no? And then waiver of installment, halimbawa po, no, na nawala, okay, ay hindi na kayang maghanap buhay, doon po na-waive yung kanyang installment. Nako-consider na fully paid pagka wala na pong kakayang maghanap buhay. No? Pero intact pa rin po yung kanyang memorial service. Baka may question pong nag-raise dyan. Wala pa.
Insurance cover ay valid within 5 years payment only or until 60 years old, just for clarification.
Okay. Insurance, sir, is valid years lang po. Alright? But during 6 to 10th year, only cash assistance po yung accidental assistance dito. Only the extended cash. 10th year, si plan holder, may pera kukuha. Of course, kasi nabayaran na yan. But the cash assistance, intact pa rin na mai. Now, isa sa tanong po ni participants po natin is until 60 years old?
It's either 5 years payment only or until 60 years old.
Okay, so until 10 years lang po ang ating cash assistance or the insurance na covered po siya. Until 10 years lang po. What if ang nag-sign po ay 57 years old, tama po? So 57 years old hanggang 65 lang po siya, whichever comes first. Whichever comes first. Hanggang 65 years old lang po na plan holder. Kung nag-in siya 57, 58, nag-in siya ng 55 until 65th birthday niya lang po. Insured siya. Hanggang dun lang po yung extension natin. Alright, so ulitin ko po, 10 years lang po ang free insurance natin. No? And then, whichever's come first, 65 years old. Yes, parang may question po ata. Sorry, nag-pop up. Nakita ko lang po.
Sinabi lang na, ande, yung sa, ano lang, nagpuputol-putol daw. Pero, ayusin lang namin yung, yung audio ni ma'am. O baka may questions po kayo, you can unmute and ask your question. Ayan, si Ma'am Raquel. Ma'am Raquel, go ahead po. Sige, sige, mamaya na, no? Okay po, ma'am.
All right. So, ayun po, no? Again, it's 5-year paying period and the insurance is 10-year. No? And we don't require any medical requirement.
May question po dito. What if suicide po ang maging case? Wala po bang conflict?
Okay. Yeah. No, pag suicide po siya, paki-advise po na tapusin muna yung contestability. Joke lang. It's after a year, no question asked. Any cause of death after a year. Even po yung mga Armed Forces of the Philippines natin, no question asked during the battle. It's okay, but right after a year, the contestability. This contestability po is ruling po ito ng ating Insurance Commission.
Ayun, Rems. Yun po yung promo daw po. Next year na po. Pwede nang i-avail.
Yeah. So, baka may floating question pa po?
Question regarding sa transfer. Kailan allow i-transfer sa iba?
After a month po, sir. After a month. Yun po yung maturity period niya. After a month, pwedeng i-transfer, pwedeng i-assign na po siya. Okay? So, just to reiterate, ito po siya, no? For insurable, ages 18 to 60 years old, we are suggesting na before the 55 years old po. Alright? Para until the 60th, covered po tayo ng accidental insurance. So, this is a sample po, no, of St. Gregory. So, pag nawala sa aksidente, cash assistance, and then yung accident insurance amount niya, and then memorial service considered fully paid. So, times 3 po, ang nabe-benefit ng isang plan holder na nawala sa accident. And again, there are two kinds of death. If it happened by natural death naman po, all right, kailangan matapos lang yung 1 year contestability. And then, cash assistance given to the beneficiary, memorial service considered fully paid. So, times 2 po ang na-benefit ng ating plan holder na nawala by natural death, all right, or any cause of death. If it's suicide or kung armed forces naman natin siya, during the battle, basta after a year po siya. Yes po.
Just to clarify ko lang, so halimbawa a young person, say 35 years old, so after 40 years old siya, kung nag-installment siya, tapos na yung payment niya.
Yes.
So yung insurance niya would be until age 45 lang.
Opo. Kung no, ma'am, hanggang 50 kasi 10 years po siya, ma'am.
So 5 years paying and then 5-year paying and then
extended cash assistance.
ng
Cash assistance.
So pag namatay siya ng age 55, 56 halimbawa, wala na siyang cash assistance.
Wala na. 10 years lang po ang assistance, the free insurance. 5 years. Opo. 5 taon lang pong hinuhulugan yung plan.
Siguro ma'am, isang question.
Opo.
Kasi naka-flash na dito yung mga iba't ibang plans, no? Para ma-appreciate ng ating mga Zoom attendees at saka ng mga face-to-face attendees. Let's say walang plan.
Okay.
Yung at need na plan. Whether siguro meron po tayong presyo, no? Kung magkano po yung at need na plan. Halimbawa ma'am, yung St. Gregory na 1,100 per month, magkano po yung pagkakailangan na, magkano po siya?
Sir, okay lang on slide 55. Slide 50.
Naku, layo pala nung tanong ko, no ma'am. Pasensya na.
Yan po. Alright. So, St. Gregory is 57,000. Tama po? The contract price is 57,000. Ngayon po, ang amount niya, pag walang plano, is 140,000.
Okay. So 140, ibig sabihin 83,000 yung difference. At kung St. Peter naman most likely yung kukunin nung kamag-anak nung namatay, yan yung babayaran.
Ito po yung
140
babayaran ngayon.
sa ngayon.
Okay. But because of inflation, 140 a week from now, a year from now, is not 140 anymore. Like now, may pagtaas na naman po ng gasolina, sasabay din po ito.
Okay.
Pero once you have your plan, fix po ito. So 50.
Pero same lang po yung service
Same
ng...
service, sir.
So, friends, nakita niyo yung difference na 83,000. Yan pala yung pwede nung pwede nyung maging markup. pwedeng at 60,000 makakatipid kasi makakatulong ka pa rin dun sa tao kung wala talagang plan 140. 'Di ba? Kung mas mataas ka lang ng 60k, kung mas mababa ka ng 60k sa 140, 120 mo ibenta, mas mas makakatulong ka dun sa tao, no?
Yes, sir.
At
ito siya ngayon.
oo, kasi 57 pala siya ngayon. Tapos mag-i-increase pa, ma'am.
Yes, sir. This 57 is gonna be 73.
73.
So 73,000, syempre, pag nag-increase po si Prinid, mag-increase din po si Acnid. Kasi
Oo.
this is the prevailing price now, 140. And because of inflation, I think ito po ay magwa 160 to 170 na ang Acnid. Dito sa Metro Manila, it's 155. This is provincial rate 140,000. Provincial rate pa po ito.
So wala talagang choice. Kung St. Peter, let's say hindi ma'am St. Peter, meron po ba kayong idea kung magkano yung ginagastos ng yung kailangan, halimbawa kailangan magpalibing, tapos mga magkano po yung gagastusin?
On slide 54, sir.
Kompleto si mama. Oh.
Slide 54.
Sorry ma'am, yung tanong ko,
Yes.
napajam ka tuloy.
Ito po siya. Statistically, 90 to 150,000 is the standard amount of one decent service. Again, yung nakita natin kanina sa picture na 90,000 is not just decent. Hindi po siya kaiga-igayang
Hindi
servisyo.
decent. Yung 90,000 yun, ma'am.
Yes.
No?
Ganon.
Okay.
House viewing and all. So ito po, no, very, ano po ito, fresh from statistics of, hindi na sa census ngayon sorry, it's PSA.
Okay. Sige. Ma'am, may question po dito. What type of chapel ang ipapagamit po ng St. Peter per package? Ma'am, kung sorry ka din sa tanong ko, napajump ka. Pero kung dadaanan po natin, siguro maganda daanan natin yung presentation. Masasama po ba ito, ma'am, sa presentation, yung tanong na ito? Sige, okay lang. Daanan lang natin yung presentation.
33 po. Balik tayo.
Pero pwedeng isingit na natin yung tanong ni Sir Bert. Pag during contestability period ang debt, void po ba ang service or refunds? Ano po possible mangyari?
Okay. Pagka ano po?
Within the contestability period.
Okay. Pag contestability period po, hindi po siya maboboid. Pay the balance po. Ang mangyayari po dyan. Pag gagamitin ng servisyo, pay the balance. So ano yung naging advantage? Pre-need po yung presyo. Alright? Hindi po tayo doon sa prevailing price. Babayaran lang po yung balanse. Hindi po siya mabovoid. Or if ayaw ipagamit nun ng family, pwedeng i-continue naman ng family. Gusto nila at need. Pero malaki, mahal po. Hindi tayo nakatulong doon. Okay?
Well, in addition lang po. Ang contestability period po kasi, kahit sa life insurance po, it doesn't mean na hindi po babayaran. Pwede lang pong i-contest, depende po dun sa nagiging reason. So, pwede pa rin pong mabayaran yan sa life insurance. So, yun lang po.
Did we understand it right now? Yung example na binigay na sa ating guest sa Zoom.
Yes.
So, contestability period, namatay siya. Ang wala lang doon, syempre, tuloy pa rin ang service niya, bibigay yung service. But the cash assistance will not be given.
Opo. Nawawala po siya, ma'am.
Pag installment, pay muna siya bago ibigay yung service.
Before installment naman po. And ang settlement po ng balance is before the installment. Ganun.
Ang malinaw na pagka under contestability period at may service siya, ang mawawala lang kung talagang suicide nga siya within the 1 year paying period, ay yung cash assistance ang
The
hindi
cash
ibibigay.
assistance, ma'am, and hindi fully paid yung plan. Opo. Pay the
Okay.
balance po, ma'am. Yes po.
Paano nga daw po yung computation? Tama. Tama po kayo din. Tapusin mo na po yung presentation. Siya din po yung sumagot, Sir Philip.
Alright. So, yung tanong po kanina, no, okay lang. Pinakita ko na po, no? Kasi supposedly, tinatanong ko po yung viewer kasi yung iba medyo ayaw makakita po ng casket. Yung iba naman gustong-gusto, no, ng light casket kasi gusto niya nang makita ko nung itsura niya, no, sa loob. We do that. No, may mga event po tayo, sa mga corporate event na ini-invite kami with our pink casket for photo booth. Yeah. Kasama makeup artist. Apa. All right. So ang may floating question tayo kanina kung per plan ano yung capacity po ng viewing sa chapel natin, no? St. George and St. Gregory, kung mapapansin niyo po, magkamukha siya. All right? But the difference is si St. Gregory is metal and then si St. George is wood. Pero pareho lang po siya ng capacity ng casket which is 30 packs. And the more na tumataas po yung ating plan investment, mas lumalaki po yung kanyang viewing capacity. Alright? And then St. Clair is 50, and then 60, 80 to 100 na po yung St. Hindi naman yung sabay-sabay sir nagpupunta. Alright, so nasagot ko po ba yung floating questions kanina? Okay. And then we also have our cremation plans, pero at the moment, medyo hindi po namin ini-encourage. Kasi if you're, nakikita ba? Medyo mataas po siya. Like etong St. James po natin is 1,255 ang monthly, wherein 71,000 ang kanyang contract price. Eh pag kumuha po ng St. Gregory, it's only 57,000. And ngayon po, ang sunog, pababa po siya ng pababa. No, ngayon, it's 20,000 po may earn na eh. Alright, if you're senior citizen, 18,000 po may earn na. 'Di ba? Eh, itong 71,000, sunog po agad to, wala tong viewing. But again, ganun pa rin po yung summary of benefits niya na meron pa rin free insurance and all. So, parang hindi namin siya, though part ng selling namin, pero mas practical po na sa traditional tayo. Kasi if they want na cremation, pwede naman magpa-cremate bukod, which is only 25,000. Ganun po. No? And ang may mga crematorium lang po tayo is here in Quezon City, and then we have in Santa Maria, Bulacan, Davao, Cebu, and one in Olonga po. Yan pa lang po sa ngayon. Okay, baka may question, sir? Wala. Okay, so ang plan inclusion niya, of course, 24/7 po tayo, no? And then retrieval of remains, kung nasaan po yung deceased, let's say we bought it here in Quezon City, pero ang ating loved one deceased is somewhere in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, any part of Luzbimin, the nearest St. Peter Chapel ang magre-retrieve po ng remains, no? And then yung mga hearses that we are using is not an ordinary hearse, alright? So we have European car, Suburban, Starex, may Cadillac po tayo sa mga super high-end services. And then, embalming and funeral cosmetic, pag gawang St. Peter po yan, ang pinagmamalaki namin, parang natutulog lang. No, maaliwalas po ang gawa. Kasi we also have our own embalming school. Kami rin po yung nagpapaaral doon sa aming mga embalmers. And we see to it na makuha po talaga yung kagaya-gayang itsura ng disease. No, parang, ay, namaya pa talaga ng maayos, gano'n. Alright, and then casket according to plant type po. No? Kapag okay na sa family, yung makeup, and then go na po siya into casketing. And then sa mga chapels po natin, it's 4 days ang view. Alright, so the hearses that we are using, ito po siya. Okay, and napakita ba dito yung video? The way we rendered service? Okay, okay lang po ba, sir? Na i-play natin to.
Kahit saan
This is how we rendered a decent sanitary service po. Again, with a very minimal cost.
Bawat pamilya dapat may St. Peter Life Plan. Paghandaan ang iyong kinabukasan, paghandaan ang panahon ng pangangailangan. Pag may St. Peter Life Plan, panatag ang kalooban, may St. Peter Chapels pang masasandigan. Kahit saan, kahit kailan maasahan, bawat pamilya dapat may St. Peter Life Plan. St. Peter Life Plan. Karamay mo sa iyong kalungkutan, handog namin serbisyong di mapantayan. Pag may St. Peter Life Plan, panatag ang kalooban, may St. Peter Chapels pang masasandigan. Kahit saan, kahit kailan maasahan, bawat pamilya dapat may St. Peter Life Plan. St. Peter Life Plan. Kahit saan, kahit kailan maasahan, bawat pamilya dapat may St. Peter Life Plan. St. Peter Life Plan. Kahit saan, kahit kailan maasahan, bawat pamilya dapat may St. Peter Life Plan. St. Peter Life Plan.
So, yun po yung the way we rendered service. Okay? Again, in the most economical amount, no? And ito po yung one of our prestige service. Yung ating Falling 44, the what happened 2015. Tayo yung napili ng the late President Pinoy. Why? Because only St. Peter can render the service with uniformity. Because we have our own manufacturing casket, and again, no, pag nag-request po ng sabay-sabay, no, ng uniformity, because they are men in uniform, so they deserve a decent quality service with uniformity. So hindi St. Peter can do that. Kasi nga po, no, 12 and working on magiging 15 na po siya pag natuloy na yung aming binibili pa somewhere in La Union and Pampanga. Magdadagdag pa po tayo, no? And nasubok na rin po tayo nung Marawi battle, wherein 168 fallen soldier. Alright, kasi tayo din yung tinawag ng nakaraang administrasyon. Again, kasi tayo lang po yung kayang mag-render ng service with uniformity and synchronize. Diba? This is nangyari sa Mindanao, dinala sa isang gym, binigyan po ng parangal, and then dinala po natin, most of the 168 fallen soldiers here are from Central Luzon. Okay, so synchronize po yan. So, syempre ang mga freight and all, sagot po yan ng family. Pero since they are soldier, may C-130 po kasi tayo. So, di nasubok. And from then, so, naging lumawak na po yung invitation natin sa lahat ng AFP. Like, Philippine National Police po is part na ng salary deduction nila. Philippine National Police. And then we are working out ngayon po kay Secretary Chodoro, no, sa ating Secretary of National Defense for the Air Force, for the Navy, for the Marines, and for the Army naman na ma-salary deduction.
Okay, ma'am. Question. Since PNP pa lang yung may salary deduction, ibig sabihin, PNP pa lang yung technically na parang captured na ni St. Peter. Doon sa mga agents natin na nandito ngayon, it means na habang wala pa yung sa AFP kay Secretary Teodoro, that means pwede pa rin silang makapasok sa AFP. Tama
Yes.
po?
Yeah, and sila din po, wala naman din po kaming jurisdiction because most of the policemen, pagka na-approve po siya ng salary deduction, pupunta pa po ng finance. Then pagdating sa finance, isasala pa po ulit siya ng finance. Kasi ang mandate po ng government is dapat may take home ang PNP na 40%. Pag hindi po 40%, hindi pa rin sa salary deduction. So
Okay.
pwede pa rin po nilang makuha yun.
So, paano natin papaliwanag yon? So, friends, ganito po yun. Let's say, 10,000 pesos ang salary ng isang policeman. Kapag marami siyang kaltas, hindi lang naman kasi ito yung kaltas niya. Tapos yung magiging take home niya, less than 4,000, less than 4,000 na lang magiging take home niya.
Rejected
That
po
means, hindi siya ma-approve ng salary deduction ng St. Peter. Yon, possible na pwede natin siyang bentahan na
Yes.
paisa-isa.
Yes.
No? Okay.
Ganon. And most of the police, hindi lang para sa kanila kinukuha nila because they know na mabuvoid yung benefits. No, sometimes magpapa-approve po yan sa finance, 3, 4 na plan para sa nanay, para sa asawa. Hindi na na-accommodate kasi hindi na po kaya ng kanilang sweldo.
Okay.
So, marami pa po tayong market. We have 114 million Filipinos now, to be exact.
Okay, ma'am, may question po dito. Sa private companies, pwedeng mag-salary deduction partnership with you?
Pwede po.
Yon, pwede, no? So,
Lahat of that salary reduction sa mga BPO company po.
o yan, sa mga BPO companies daw. So, that's
Client
another,
natin sa Laguna, meron din po salary deduction yun, sir. Yung sa Laguna Technopark na client ko, sir, kaya MLO. Ayun, salary deduction po yun.
Ayan, o
Kasi
yan pala.
most of the companies po ngayon, ito na yung binibigay na bereavement benefits. Instead of, cash ang binibigay Parang they funded 50 to 60,000 na bereavement benefits ng isang employee nila. So, ang ginagawa, instead of cash, kasi walang napupuntahan yung 50 to 60,000, nagkaka-loan pa yung employee nila because 50 to 60 is not enough for a decent funeral service, kino-convert na po nila na plan na lang po. And some companies po ang nangyayari 60-40. 60 shouldered ni company, 40 shouldered ni employee. Depends po yun sa kanila.
Ma'am,
Yun ang encounter.
Meron po ba tayo, ma'am, na ready presentation or ready na letter na pwede naming dalhin, ibigay doon sa mga private companies para may alam, para kumbaga to facilitate yung ganong klaseng discussion? Meron po tayong ganon, no?
Meron po tayo. Bigyan ko po ng copy si Joy.
Ayan, sige. Thank you po.
Bigyan ko po kayo ng copy. Alright.
Ma'am, sorry, additional question. If in case na, let's say, for example, offeran natin ng salary deduction and then nag-resign, hindi pa fully paid yung ano nila, yung St. Peter nila. Ano kaya yung usually na ginagawa ng mga employers?
Okay. Ganito po siya. Kasi since pag si employer po, yung nagbabayad, okay, ng plan, kasi ginawa niya ng benefit to para sa empleyado, at umalis po si empleyado, since the plan is transferable, hindi po makukuha ni employee. Kasi hindi niya po natapos yung tenure of service niya. Or umalis siya, or nag-resign siya, or something happened. Hindi po. Alright? May iwan po yung, may MOA po, may isang case po ako na ganyan, may MOA po. Ang lahat ng plan, ang lahat ng kontrata, nasa kumpanya. Pero nakapangalan po sa mga empleyado. Alright? So, ang ginagawa pa nga yung holding ni employer kailangan tumagal ka sa akin ng 6 years. Otherwise, hindi mo makukuha yung free na memorial plan. Parang ganon. Some of the, companies, ganon po yung holding na ginagawa nila. Yes po. Ita-transfer po ni employer sa new employee niya. Ganon po. Since transferable. And yun din yung gusto ng mga co-op. Sa mga co-op po, Like ngayon, after this, meron po akong pupuntahan sa Pampanga wherein they plan to have a block sale naman. Kasi nga, they really heard na may price increase. To hold the price, kukuha po muna ng 15 block plans. Nakapangalan lang po sa cooperative yun. Alright? Para meron po silang ready may papagamit just in case. So, yun po yung mga scenario na na-experience ko po.
Meron daw na question and answer taas. Okay. Ano tong question na to? Paano nga yung computation ng variance or ano po ang variance po? Okay. I guess yun yung Philip, yung variance, ito yung at need. So kung bibilin mo na yung St. Peter, kung kailangan mo na siya versus dun sa bumili ka na hindi mo paggagamitin, yung difference nung dalawa na yun yung variance. So for example, 57,000 yung pagbibili ka ng plan, pero pagka hindi ka bumili ng plan at kailangan mo na ngayon, 140,000. Yung difference ng 140 minus 57, which is 83,000, yun yung tinatawag natin na variance. All the time po may available chapel according to plan?
Yes po, sinisikap natin dyan. Kapag dito po kasi sa metro, medyo nakukongest tayo. May waiting time po siya. 2 to 3 days po ang waiting time. Ganon.
So habang nagwo-wait po, ma'am, nasan po yung cadaver?
Mort po namin.
Nasa freezer, parang gano'n.
May mort po siya, may waiting area po sila. Pero nalinis na po siya. What I mean is, nagamot na.
Opo, pero yung habang waiting po na
Nakalagay
gano'n.
na po siya sa casket, naka-ready na po siya.
Naka-ready na. May additional fee po
Wala
ba
po.
yun? Wala nang
Wala
bayad yun. Okay.
Ang mag-i-start po ng number of days ng viewing kapag nandun na po sa allocated chapel room.
Tapos di po ba pwede ma-view ang patay pag wala sa chapel? Pag wala pa sa chapel?
Ano naman po yun? Pwede naman po. Yes po.
May question pa po.
Ma'am, ako sorry, may question ako.
Sige, sir.
If ang tawag dito, di ba po may mga several plans? Confirm ko lang po na
Sige, sir.
ay sorry. Yun po, hindi lahat ng plans is available sa mga chapels. Let's say for example, higher plans hindi siya available sa Novaliches, St. Peter Novaliches. Or lahat na nandun sa list of plans natin is meron doon sa chapel.
Okay. So, iba-iba po kasi ang scenarios ng ating mga chapels, ng mga location ng chapels po natin. Lahat po yan, sir, available sa lahat po ng chapel natin. All of the plans available po sa chapel natin. Kasi yung mga small and medium chapel po natin, 3 viewing room lang yan, sir. So, may small, medium, large. So, yung capacity po na yon, marirenderan po lahat ng ating mga plans po. Okay. So, may I proceed? Nasubok na rin po tayo nung nakaraang pandemya, no? 2020, 2021, all right? Dito po, especially in Metro Manila, nagkaroon po ng pagbaba ng memo na ang sa servicean lang namin during this time is our plan holders. Or, no, kung hindi siya plan holder, ipinagamit yung plan. Kasi ang dami retrieval nun. Ito yung times na talagang bawal lumabas. And then na-realize ng Metro Manila how advantage na merong plano. Talagang nakikiusap yung ibang family ng sino yung kakilala nila na meron. Kasi yun lang yung po pwedeng i-retrieve namin eh. So nangyayari, pinapagamit po, ina-assign. Kaya during the pandemic, mas lumakas yung benta ng mga pre-need ng St. Peter because na-realize nila how advantage po nung time talaga na yun. No, peak yung naging talagang hinahanap kami noon.
May tanong po dun sa Paano daw po yan sinasabi sa kliyente na wait muna sa chapel?
Okay. Pinapaliwanag naman po yun ng maayos sa ating mga family na pwede po munang mag-rest muna po kayo, no? And then we'll taking care of your loved ones, and then after 2 days, viewing na po siya. Maximum of 3 days po yan, pero 1 to 2 days lang po ang talagang nagiging waiting natin dyan, usually. Ganun po. Pero, nire-resolve na rin po namin yan. Kasi dito lang naman nagkaka-problem sa Metro Manila na mahaba yung days ng waiting.
Isang option din po ba while waiting is pwede sa bahay or
Pwede
sa chapel na, for example, sa church, di ba may chapel
pwede
doon?
Pero pagka hindi po St. Peter at hindi rin po sa bahay at nag-request ng family ng other viewing area, sagot na po ni family ang charges.
Yung charges, okay.
Yan
Kasi
po
sa
yun.
bahay wala nang charge yun eh. Pero kung
Sa chapel, wala.
sa chapel na hindi St. Peter,
Yes.
hindi sagot ni St. Peter yung charge na yun.
Opo.
Okay, sige po.
Which is, ngayon, nire-resolve po natin yan, kaya dagdag tayo ng dagdag ng mga chapel. So, even nung repatriation of debt, only St. Peter lang po talagang pinagkatiwalaan ng lahat ng sangay ng gobyerno. Because St. Peter ang sumusunod lang talaga sa Department of Health during the time. No, ang higpit talaga niyan. Alright? So again, ito po yung pinakita ko kanina, no, that the cost of dying, no, here in the Philippines is 90 to 150,000. And a year after this year, may price increase po talaga na mangyayari dyan. No? Maybe that start 120 to 180 na ang isang memorial service. And kapag may St. Peter, yan lang po yung amount na kung ano po yung nasa flyers na. No? And then tinanong kanina yung variance, ito po siya. Alright. So, ito pong mga naka-blue, actually ano po ito provincial rate eh. Dito sa Metro Manila, 155,000 eh. Tama ba, Joy? Yung Paranaque natin, no? 155,000. 140 is provincial rate. Yung St. Clair po natin is 175 here in Metro. And then Bernadette is 190. 240 po si Sinca dito sa Metro. Okay, this is Bulacan pa norte. And then Laguna pa south naman. Ganon. Ha? Pwede na ang alin, sir.
So, ayan. So, ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng mga attendees natin ngayon, pwede na kayong, kasi this is an investment eh. This is something na we would really need. So, it's just a matter of anong price ang gusto mo, yung mas mura o yung mas mahal. Obviously, mas gusto natin yung mas mura. No? So, ayan. May questions pa po ba sa mga nasa Zoom?
Yeah, baka may question pa po tayo.
O yung mga nasa face-to-face, baka may questions po kayo.
May question ako. Ay, sorry, late. Tanong ko lang, kasi yung aking plan is diretso po to cremation.
Alright.
Cremation, and then syempre nakaganyan ka na lang.
Naka-earn.
Ngayon, wala na daw yata yung ganong plan? Wala na.
St. James. St.
St.
James.
James?
James, ano po yung plan niyo, ma'am? Then pa rin ba, ma'am, kahit naka-avail ka way back since the company is 54 years old, way back on the first year ng St. Peter, andyan pa rin po siya, isa-serve pa rin po siya. Okay. Kaya lang hindi na po siya ino-offer at the moment.
So yun nga, hindi na ino-offer. Ngayon, ang tanong ko lang, what if, syempre nandun na ako. Tapos yung mga kasama ko, what if they decided na magka-casket ako. So you call it upgrading,
yes,
pa? So how do we go about this?
Mag-charge po siya sa kung ano yung prevailing price po natin. Eto po, dito po siya magpo-fall. Yung prevailing price, the at-need price, ma'am. Let's say, kung ang Francis ang nakuha noon, alright, and then ngayon, ang pinili ng family is the high-end casket na St. Anne, dito na po siya magpo-fall sa 230. Less kung ano po yung nahulog. Less nung plan investment mo po. I think before that is 36,000 or 39,000. The St. Francis. 38. 88, okay. Doon po siya magpo-fall. Magle-less lang po ng 88 yung 230. Apo. Ganon.
And then yung mga chapel arrangement, the same.
Yes po.
Same will be offered.
Yes po.
Now, another question.
Yes.
Kasi I heard, well, kasi yung kakilala ko lang naman, what if lahat ng chapels occupied? What's your option?
Bahay po.
Bahay.
Yes. That's the next option. And third option is family will wait 2 to 3 days po.
2 to 3 days for
Viewing
for
sa chapel.
viewing. Okay. What about freezer? Kasi nilagay siya sa freezer. Is there a contract for that?
Usually, ma'am, hindi po na namin nilalagay sa freezer. Ginagamot na po talaga namin siya, which is with embalming liquid na po and all. Nakaayos na rin po siya. No? And then, nakalagay lang po siya sa waiting area. Naka-casket na rin po siya.
Is there a contract for that?
Sa chapel po, nagkakaroon po ng contract doon.
So what about with St. Peter? The family, are they informed na magiging ganito
Yes
yung
po.
arrangement?
Yes po. Before po namin servicean at sakaling hindi available po ang chapel, meron tayong memorial contract about that the family will gonna wait for 2 to 3 days before ma-view doon sa chapel na allocated. And then waiting po siya. May isang room po kami na talagang naka-waiting po. Ganun.
Last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi ang family is nasa Manila Memorial.
Alright.
Wala raw doon. Walang access doon ng St. Peter.
Meron po sa lahat po ng
sukat.
Meron po.
Sukat. So if ever kung doon ako dadalhin.
Yes.
No, just in case.
Interment. The interment. Meron po.
No, kasi I was there last week
Kasi
lang.
po itong
Nag-inquire ako ng columbarium. Tapos, sabi ko, bakit walang St. Peter na
ma'am, kasi po
sa servicing.
Sa service po kasi, may sarili po kasi sila. Right? May sarili din po silang ino-offer. Doon ka rin po bibili, no? Hindi lang po kasi lupa yung sa kanila, no? May sarili din po sila. Now, ang tanong niyo po, hindi sila affiliated, hindi sila papapasukin po ang service ng St. Peter on interment part. Ganon.
So, pwede rin po.
Discretion po, ma'am. Discretion naman. Niyo po yun. Okay.
Ito may tanong po from Zoom. Good morning po. Baka po nasagot na ito kanina. Pasensya na po. Provide only offers po ba the St. Peter pre-need plans? Ano po ibig sabihin doon, Sir Tonton? Or siguro pa-clarify po kung anong ibig sabihin doon. Hindi po at need. Okay. So let's say meron na siyang kakilala na kailangan na ng St. Peter na at need. Pwede din po ba ayan? Pwede.
Service po tayo po pre-need and mga at need services.
Okay, ayan. So pwede, Sir Tonton, pwedeng pre-need and at need. No? Ngayon kung may extra ka, yung pre-need mo, yun yung benta mo. No? So ayan. Question po kanina, kasi nabanggit kanina from cremation, papunta ng traditional plan, which is yung may viewing na hindi sinusunog. No? Ano po ba yun? Upgrade po ba yun? Or ang upgrade po is from traditional papuntang cremation?
Either way po. Kasi kapag cremation, sometimes ang nire-request na ng family, kasi most of the cremation plan po natin is diretso sunog, then urn. Urn na po siya, and then viewing for 3 days. Alright? And sometimes ang nire-request ng family, no, I want my loved one na viewing muna. And then that's the time po na sa at need po siya ma-fall. Ililess na lang po yung
So mas masasuggest, friends, mas masasuggest at mas economical mag-pre-need ka na traditional bago mag-cremate.
Yes.
Kasi hindi na pwedeng buuin yun pag nasunog na.
Most practical po, it's really to have pre-need po.
So mas practical na ang i-offer natin yung pre-need na traditional kesa dun sa okay.
Another service.
Clarify lang din daw po, we can offer the pre-need price for an at need plan. Anong ibig sabihin nun? So, pre-need price for an at-need plan. Ay, hindi po. So either of the two lang, Sir Tonton. So either pre-need ang kukunin sa atin or at-need. So kung may at-need na kailangan na yung friend mo, dun siya sa, in this case, yung naka-flash sa screen, dun siya sa 140. Pero kung hindi pa kailangan, parang for the future niya gagamitin, yung 57. Ang tinitingnan ko po yung St. Gregory. So,
Sige,
ayan.
disclose ko lang po. Okay lang, sir.
Sige lang po,
Sa
ma'am.
ating mga agents. Let's say, hindi may iwasan talaga, no? Na they want it on a at-need price. Okay. Disclose ko lang po that samahan nyo si family, no? Assist the family, and then entitled po kayo sa 10% of what amount ng at-need natin. Inform po ako. Inform po ako. Yun po yung po pwede kong maitulong sa ating mga agents.
Kung yung ahente po ang mag-a-assist.
Apo. Kailangan physically present po siya.
Ayun. So yun po yung advantage na through provide, meron na po tayong gagawa nun, hindi na po mismo yung ahente.
Yes.
Kasi 'di ba kahit paano may servicing talaga yung ano natin yung product na yan. Out of curiosity po, paano po yung nasunog po yung bahay kasama po yung ano? Paano po yun nilalagay pa sa viewing?
Pag nasunog na, sir?
Nasunog po yung ano, parang
Body?
na instant cremation siya, parang ganon.
Sir, depends. Oo, usually, sir, closed casket yan, sir.
So, hindi na niya magagamit yung St. Peter niya na unahan.
Sir, serve. Kasi kung pagamitan pa rin natin ng casket, nakasarado lang nga, sir. May viewing pa rin siya, sir. Ganon, sir.
Kasi yung kay Bubblegang, di ba? Tinapon na lang sa sunog para mahal daw eh. Thank you po, thank you po.
Yes. Yeah, baka meron pa po tayong mga floating questions.
Baka naman po may natira pa. Natira pa na nung nasunog po, ano, baka meron po.
So usually, sir, sa government ngayon, talagang ini-invite po kami, St. Peter, for info drive, awareness campaign, especially the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Every now and then, talagang may invitation po kami na-receive from their headquarters, no, to have an awareness campaign. And lalo po ngayon na narinig nila that we are working kay Sec Chodoro, no, to have it salary reduction. But then again, alam po natin na ang mga armed forces ay mga taga-London po yan. No, loan dito, loan doon. So, hindi po nakakapasa yung 4% on. Saka malaki po yung check, especially yung family po nila. Oo. Ganun po. Even sa mga teachers eh. Oo. So, dilalakad din po namin siya. Kaya lang sabi ni Sara Duterte, naku, sabi niya ganun, wala ka mapala sa mga teachers. Sabi niya, bintahan mo na lang yan individually. Sabi niya. So, doon. Opo. 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 So, yan. So, we are reiterating everyone that the probability of death, again, is 100%. No? So, why not plan for it? Yan, si Sanjay. Yeah. Yun. So, tinuturuan po natin ang lahat ng pamilyang Pilipino, no, to be practical and to have St. Peter life plan. And what we said is, kailan ka ba dapat bumili? Of course, pag hindi mo pa kailangan. Kasi pag yan kailangan mo na, the price is really triple. No? Because of inflation, again, dodoble at dodoble siya. So pag may po.
May nagre-raise ng hand si Ma'am Emily. Go ahead, Ma'am Emily, pa-unmute po.
Yes, sir. Good morning po. Paano po dito sa province? Di ba, may mga St. Peter din po kasi, may mga agent din po, or may branch po ba ang St. Peter dito? Just in case po, kunwari ako, connected ako sa provide. Pag magbebenta ba ako dito ng St. Peter, kailangan ko pang makipag-coordinate dito sa branch, dito sa province, para i-cater later on if ever may mga claims, kanon? Or may, oo.
Opo. Ang ganda po
Thank
ng
you.
question niyo, ma'am. Hindi na po nyo kailangan makipag-coordinate to any St. Peter Lifeline offices. Dito na lang po mismo sa main office nyo po sa provide. Kasi end service naman po yung mga chapels natin. No, end service po sila. What I mean is, service sila kahit sino pa yan sa plan holder po, kahit saan lugar sa Pilipinas po binili yung plano. So you don't have to coordinate with them po just to sell. Hindi na po.
Thank you po.
Ayan, baka may question pa po. Siguro on how to sell, no? Yung pag-sell po ng St. Peter, madali lang kasi meron silang online na selling website. Ayan, yung kanilang online store.
Yan, meron po.
So ito po, pwedeng guided by agent, guided nyo, or pwedeng yung client po, ibigay nyo sa kanya yung link na online.stpeter.com.ph para lang siyang nagre-register sa Lazada or sa Shopee nito.
O mind you, wala po kami sa Lazada, wala po kami sa Shopee. Ha? Kasi pag doon nyo po in-order, i-deliver po yan kaagad sa inyo. Gusto nyo po ba yon? Kaya sa website lang po tayo. I have a video here, sir, sa 77 slide po.
Ito po para paano magbenta ng St. Peter. May video po tayo.
Yes, sir.
Let's all watch this.
Apo. Ayan, sir.
Sabi nila, you only live once. Tawag doon, YOLO. Konting kalabit lang, Gina sa LU. Pagsweldo, o-orderin lahat ng nasa menu. Kung magpuyat, deadma sa curfew. Kasi nga, YOLO. Meron din YODO. You only die once. Kaya dapat paghandaan with St. Peter Life Plan and Chapels. Just go to online.stpeter.com.ph. Andyan na lahat ng kailangan mo. Pick a plan na bagay sa'yo, pati na rin sa pamilya mo. Then, add to cart. Yung payment, online lang. Pati other transactions, online na rin. That's life. Hindi lang puro living. Living din. Because, YODO, you only die once. St. Peter Life Plan and Chapels. For more details, visit online.stpeter.com.ph now.
Ayan. Pwede po nating i-play if you want to, kaya lang medyo mahaba siya. Parang 5-minute video on how to... okay na yan, sir? Okay. Alright.
Sabi nila?
Okay. So, yun po. Pag may mga question pa po.
So yung video po, yung 5-minute video on how to iwan na lang, i-share natin sa sa mga attendees. Just don't forget po na doon sa agent code, ilalagay niyo yung code ni Provide para hindi makalimutan, ita-type po namin yung code ni Provide doon sa ating GC kasi yung code po na yun po yung katunayan na matatag sa atin yung St. Peter na sale, no? So pupunta po yung client nyo or kayo mismo doon sa St. Peter na online site and then madali naman po siyang i-navigate. Doon po bibili ng St. Peter plan. Sa dulo noon nakalagay yung agent code. Doon po natin ita-type yung code ni Provide. And doon natin doon po siya matatag sa atin. Okay, now in the event na nakalimutan ng client nyo na ilagay yung agent code ni Provide. Ayan po yung agent code ni Provide. Pwede nyong picturean. Fran 3639. Fran 3639. Parang bingo, no? So, ayan po yung agent code ni Provide. In the event na nakalimutan, kailangan po natin ng email from your client ng proof of payment niya at kayo talaga yung agent na binilhan ng client, no? Kasi yung client pwedeng sabihin niya pumunta lang siya sa website ng St. Peter, doon siya bumili kasi yung website na to public facing. So kailangan po meron tayong katunayan na kayo talaga yung naging agent ng client na yon. Pero para hindi po mangyari yung ganon, kasi medyo mahirap pa siya, huwag niyong kalimutan sabihin sa client na i-type tong Fran 3639. Ayan po. May question po ba? Paano po malalaman sinong provide agent po iyon? Okay. So once na makabili na yung inyong client, hingin nyo po sa client yung proof of payment at kayo ang mag-email dito sa office. Kayo po. Siyempre kung sino yung mag-email na kung na kanino yung proof of payment, yun yung doon natin itatag na agent. Okay po? Pwede po ba sa COD? COD ba? Okay. At need plan yon pag COD. Ayan. Okay, may question pa po ba? Oh, sige. Ayan, ide-demo ni Miss Joy paano mag-create ng account. Pero may video po rin tayo nito para kung ma-miss nyo, pwede nyo balikan yung video. So ito po, paano mag-create ng account sa St. Peter.
How to shop for a St. Peter Life Plan. Before we start, you may want to gather the following requirements for your convenience: a photo of your current and valid government-issued ID, and 3 specimen signatures on your phone or laptop to be uploaded on our St. Peter e-store for online purchase authentication. Please also be ready with your beneficiaries' details, their complete name, date of birth, and address. In your web browser, you may type in online.stpeter.com.ph and you will see the St. Peter e-store. Once inside the St. Peter e-store, click Our Products on the menu tab. It will show you 2 St. Peter Life Plan classifications. You may choose between traditional plans or cremation plans and click on your preferred type of plan. For example, let's say you choose St. Peter Traditional Plans. St. Peter e-store will present a variety of options. You can narrow down your search by choosing from the options below. When you find a St. Peter Life Plan you like, click on See Details to Buy, where you can find more detailed information about the plan, like plan benefits, features, casket specifications, and modes of payment. When convinced and ready to purchase the specific St. Peter Life Plan, you can select the quantity of life plans you would like to purchase and the mode of payment. Then click the button that says Add to Cart to add your selected St. Peter Life Plan to your virtual shopping cart. You may review your cart and you also have an option to increase or decrease the number of desired plans or remove an item from the list. You can continue shopping or view more life plans and add to your cart by clicking Continue Shopping. Once decided, you may review the order summary and proceed to checkout. Filling out a St. Peter Life Plan agreement and providing accurate information is very important. The LPA serves as the contract between you and St. Peter Life Plan. The application form has 5 parts: plan data, plan holder's personal information, health declaration, online purchase authentication, and confirmation. Let's proceed. For the first part, there is no need to fill out the information on plan data. The second part is the plan holder's personal information. There you will be asked to fill out the essential information with an asterisk mark: last name, middle name, first name, nationality, mobile number, email address, and date of birth. Make sure that you will also fill out your current complete residential address. For beneficiaries, you will be asked to put your legal principal and contingent beneficiaries. The third part is health declaration. There you will be asked to check on the boxes that apply to you. And to help us verify your identity for the fourth part, St. Peter e-store will ask you to upload your current and valid government-issued ID and your 3 specimen signatures, then click Proceed. The last part is for confirmation purposes. After reading the terms and conditions and data privacy, terms of life plan contract, and Customer Service Charter. Check the boxes for confirmation, then click Proceed to Payment to continue. St. Peter eStore will ask for your payment information to know how you'll be paying your St. Peter Life Plan. St. Peter eStore accepts a variety of payment methods. You can pay with your credit or debit card, mobile wallets, or even pay directly from your bank account. Make sure to click the box after reading the payment terms and conditions. Once you are done entering all the required information, review your order summary and payment details to ensure that details are correct. If everything looks good and you are ready, click Pay Now. Once done, you will see your payment transaction result and you may click the button that says Continue. There you have it. You have successfully made your initial payment for your plan. Congratulations! Should you have any clarifications with your payment, please let us know by clicking Contact Us. Thank you for choosing St. Peter Life Plan.
Yun, may tanong lang si Miss Joanne. Paano po kapag second payment na ni client, pwede pa din ba siya mag-pay online? And what if gusto ni client yung kagaya ng ibang agent na pinupuntahan si client para kunin ang payment? Paano po yun?
Hello, sir. Ako na lang po muna magsagot. Sasagot kasi nasa CRM. So, pag second payment po, actually pwede na po mag-online. So, kung first payment niya is, pero depende po sa inyo, sir, mama, kung gusto niyo makita yung agent lagi. Hindi naman, joke. Mas ano po actually, mas maganda syempre, nandyan din po si agent na mag-a-assist sa inyo. Pero pwede na po kayong mag-pay online sa website. Meron naman po doon. At saka ang maganda po ngayon, meron na rin pong e-collecta. So pupunta si agent sa inyo, tapos ma-view nyo na po doon yung informations nyo. Ayun. Mamaya papakita ko siya. Later, dala ko naman yung tablet. So naka-tablet na po si agent. Kasi dati, ang ginagawa po ni agent is manual. Pag napapansin niyo po, may mga papel kami na yung LPA, ganon, ilang installment na si agent. Doon po na kami, tablet na po kami lahat. So nakikita niyo po, makikita niyo rin po yung binayad niyo, ganun po.
Mas maganda rin naman po yung online para updated kagad yung bayad. And medyo risky rin po kasi kung si agent kukuha po ng pera ipambabayad. Kung manual po yan, medyo kawawa naman po din si agent, baka pag mamaya maharang sa kanto, mawala po yung pambayad.
Pwede naman po, nasa inyo nga po yun, sir. Pwedeng online at saka pwedeng
you don't have to worry po, no, kapag halimbawa na yan ay binayad sa agent, alright? And then may nangyari kay agent or sakaling nagloko whatsoever, basta hawak nyo po yung inyong huling resibo, i-honored po yan. No, wala pong magiging problem diyan. I-honored po yan.
How do we address clients' rejection regarding availability ng casket? Minsan daw po hindi kasya yung bangkay. Para daw po nakasiksik sa casket. Though wala pa ako nakikita na ganun, pero yun yung isa sa sinasabi nila na experience with St. Peter.
Okay. That's a very good question po, no? Ganito po yan, sir, ma'am. Kapag ka po plan holder ang nawawala, whatever size ni plan holder, malaki, mahaba man siya, ipoprovide po yung casket according to the size of the plan holder. Kung sakali naman po na ipapagamit, mag-a-add po ng amount. No question asked, pag si plan holder mismo, provide po natin yung sizes, lalo na po ngayon na mas madami po yung ating manufacturing casket. Yes po.
Ayun, meron pa po, yung new agent po kasi ng husband ko, nagbibigay po ng resibo. Ayan.
Basta hawak po yung receipt, ma'am. And then nakalagay naman po sa inyong mga resibo yung installment number nyo po.
Ayun, parang sa credit card, no? 1:12 to ano.
Yes po.
So may discount po ba kung full payment niya yung premium? May modal factor po na sa nakita ko kanina, no? Mas mahal po siya pag naka-semi or monthly. Ayun.
Yes, sir.
So parang discounted na rin po siya.
Basta naka-pre-need po, ang laki na po na discount niyan, sir.
Ayan, dumadami yung tanong. Paano po if may mag-ask ng funeral homes? Who would like to be a part ng servicing ng funerals ng St. Peter? Meron po ba ang ganon? Parang may crying ladies pa ito. Old school.
Sorry, ano yung question? Paano po if may mag-ask ng funeral homes who would like to be part ng magpapa-accredit ng
Pwede
St. Peter?
tayo ng mga franchisee. Okay, pero we are protecting po kung halimbawa yung bayan na yon ay wala pong St. Peter, makakapasok po sila. And ang no franchise fee po tayo as long as sumusunod po si franchisee sa ruling ng St. Peter.
Ayan, sige. I guess yung mga questions po natin na hindi nasagot or baka may questions pa kayo, pwede nyo pong ipadala dun sa ating GC and then sasagutin po siya kasama naman po sa ating GC si Joy. No, pwede po siya ang sumagot. Pero for now kasi papunta na, no? May pupuntahan pa ang ating guest speaker. Let me na lang po pwede po ba nating bigyan ng palakpak si ating speaker po? Yung mga nasa Zoom, no? Pwede nating pasalamatan by showing our virtual claps. All right, so at this point po, I would like to award the Certificate of Appreciation to Miss Mary Lou Havellana, Regional Manager ng Central Luzon 1 St. Peter Life Plans, who have contributed dito sa ating technical learning course given this 22nd day of July 2024 at Quezon City. Sign yours truly, Agency Manager Mar Sarmiento and Rachel Sarmiento. Pwede bang matawag natin si Rachel para to award this certificate to Miss Mary Lou? MJ, long for short, diba? Nakakalito yun. Long for short.